Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is August 18. Chart of the day is the SPY 45 minutes time frame. This is the S&P 500 ETF, and right here we're looking for this wave 4 pullback in the form of a potentially um, either a zigzag or a flat. Now the issue here is the C leg is quite long already here. If you measure the extension right now, it is already at the 1.618 extension here, right? So in a way, if you basically you cannot use the typical 100% extension, 161.8% extension, because this is one of those cases where the third leg extends quite long, because this one is kind of like a very short term here. So the first leg is very short. There's also a possibility where this decline here is only the first leg. So this can actually become a 5 ways down to finish the A leg of 4 before a B and then a C leg down. So there is a possibility of a bigger wave 4 pullback. This is your wave 3 here, right? And if you do the retracement, I think we do have time and space, guys, to if it wants to do a bigger degree correction, certainly it is possible, because we have not even reached 23.6% retracement, right? We could in fact be reaching this area and still perfectly fine as a wave 4, 38.2, 50%. So yeah, I think there's the less aggressive view really is we're still doing, let's say, this one, we can go to 23.6 only to finish the A leg as a 5 waves, right? And then you got a B, and then you got a C, like down, that can go to between 38.2, 50%, and still perfectly fine, still not violating anything in Elliott Wave. So we can certainly do something like that as well. But the idea here is not so much as perfect, what is the perfect level of support, where is it going to go to on the downside, but it's rather that as long as we stay above 720.26, potentially we can see more upside and we are still bullish. Now if I zoom out to the daily, right, so I want to look at it from this perspective, right, from here, from April 2025. Now let's see what we got. Definitely this is some sort of 1-2, right? And this one another. So you have a couple of options. You either call it 1-2-1-2, which is a nest, which is very bullish, or you can call it 1-2-3-4, in which case then we are ending the last with 5. But either case, whether you call it 1-2-1-2 or 1-2-3-4, right, look at the rally from this low, the last significant low here in June. Now I think if you look at it from the daily time frame, it looks like a 3 waves, right? It doesn't look like a 5 waves. So this one clearly looks like a 3 waves. So this is telling us that this is an incomplete sequence, because you don't make new all-time high in a 3 waves, right? You always make a impulsive move, a trend move always end in 5 waves. So this is only 3 waves. So either way, in the shorter cycle, whether we will see a more bullish view and then extends higher quickly after finishing the third leg here, or we're going to be doing an extended pullback. Either way, as long as we stay above 725, which is as long as we stay above here, this one, either we go like this or we do a little bit deeper before like this, because this one's only 3 ways. I think chances are we're going to see another leg up to break above this peak again at some point before we finish the 5 ways, right? Now I cannot really, definitely a bigger pullback cannot be discounted. It is definitely possible, but that doesn't mean it is bearish, right? It is still very bullish so far, and looks incomplete with 3 ways from June 2026. All right, so that's the idea here, guys. So in fact, you will actually get a better opportunity if it does a bigger pullback. If you can see something like this is even better. Then that means this 100% extension can be a better support zone for you, a better, more well-defined support zone. if it can do a bigger pullback like this. But if it does something like this, then obviously this is difficult to catch here because the C leg is already extended quite long. But yeah, so better is actually doing a bigger pullback. That gives more opportunity to people to catch it in a bigger three swings at the 100% extension. All right. So if you do want to get more updates on SPY or any other ETF, stocks, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.